Attorney.
We had supposed to have former Yusek Bernardo who was supposed to appear again before the ICI, but instead his lawyers came and requested for a resetting. The reason behind is that he is supposedly sick. He submitted his medical certificate and it will be moved to next week. Okay. Second, the spouses Diskaya appeared before the commission, and upon the advice of their counsel, they invoked their right to self-incrimination and manifested that they will no longer cooperate with the investigation being conducted by the ICI. So that would be the two announcements that I am sharing in informing the media and the public. He said that there was a statement by Commissioner Singson regarding his own personal take, yung sa kanyang opinion na as of now, he sees no witness or no person who may be recommended by the commission as state witness. However, I believe, and I saw the interview, that he qualified that as his own and not by the commission. So because of that,
Ito na, mag-asawang Diskaya hindi na makikipag-cooperate sa investigasyon ng ICI. Bakit kaya, no? Nakikita ko isang dahilan dyan kasi sila yung mga unang bumanggit ng mga pangalan ng mga congressman, district engineer sa hearing sa Blue Ribbon Committee nung si Senador Marcolita pa yung may hawak. Isa sa nabanggit nila, Saldico, Romualdez. Pero ngayon, ang ICI ay kinuha na si Romualdez bilang state witness. Anong nangyari? Ikaw yung tinuturo na ikaw mastermind, tapos ikaw yung magiging state witness. Ang galing naman ng investigasyon. Siyempre, sino pang ituturo ng Diskaya kung magkikipag-cooperate pa sila? Yun na yung witness. Sino ang ituturo ng witness? Sasabihin ng witness, wala akong kasalanan, si Diskaya lang. O kaya si Saldico, ituturo niya. Nako, grabe dito ang sarspila dito sa investigasyon na to. Wala pinapahaba lang, pinapatagal lang yung panahon. Yung Diskaya, kawawa sila. Kung iisipin natin, bilang kontraktor, hindi nila pwedeng gawin hindi gawin yung isang project na binigay sa kanila ng gobyerno. Pero bakit nagagawa nila substandard, minsan ghost project? Bakit nagagawa nila? Dahil meron silang kasabwat sa gobyerno. Kaya malakas ang loob nila. Pero ngayon, ayan ayaw nilang makipag-cooperate. Wala namang pupuntahan yung investigasyon na yan Sila pa rin yung babagsakan, Diskaya pa rin. Grabe. Anong nangyari sa Pilipinas? Paki-comment guys kung ano yung opinion nyo dito sa mga kaganapan ngayon sa Diskaya.